Alright. Gonna weigh a couple angle grinders here. They're zeroed out. Metabo claims to be 3.75 pounds, so I'm going to compare it against the Hercules. Nice Harbor Freight angle grinder here. Works pretty good for the price. It claims to be about 4.5 pounds, 4.75, something like that. I'll look it up exactly. 4.70. All right. Now, come on off of there. Our time is done. Let's check out Metabo. Metabo, brand spanking new. None of the attachments on there, nothing, just the cord and the tool. Oh. It's still zeroed out. Nothing up my sleeves. Let's just hang the cord here too. 375. Okay. Man, that says 430. 4.30 pounds. That says stone's throw from 3.75, wouldn't you say? Like about a half pound, maybe a little more? Yeah.